Apes, what's going down? You think you're a bad motherfucker? Do you know what a bad motherfucker is? A bad motherfucker is a motherfucker that never makes a goddamn excuse. A bad motherfucker is somebody who will not be denied. A bad motherfucker is someone you look at and you know he will go to the mat. He will go harder than you will go. You can feel a bad motherfucker. A bad motherfucker does not always mean he's big and strong. Physically, it means that he is big and strong mentally, and he will do what the people around him will not do, and he will do it at the fucking drop of a hat. A bad motherfucker is someone you can feel when they walk in the goddamn room, and you know that guy's a bad motherfucker because the energy that pours out him tells you that he will do what he has to do to get what the fuck he wants, and that, my peeps, is a bad motherfucker. Are you?